y'all, thanks for joining me. So I'm doing a set of coasters today, but I wanted to do something more special. So I decided that I wanted to do a glow in the dark one. So what I'm using for the base coat is Mars Black by Arteza. And then I'm going to use Metallic 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. So it'll have that sparkle even during the day. And then I'm using Neon Pink by FolkArt. That will glow under a black light. Neon Blue by FolkArt also will glow under a black light. And Glow Green by FolkArt. This will glow in the dark, and I think it probably will under a black light as well. I'm not 100% sure, but this way you'll have a really pretty looking painting coaster set regardless of if it's during the day or at night. So that is my plans with that. So I am going to go ahead and flood my tiles, and I'll be right back. Alright, the tiles are flooded, the bubbles have been popped. When I was getting ready to do this video, I was thinking, it feels like I'm forgetting something, but then I'm like, no, I've got all my paints out, I've got them lined up the way I want them, all that stuff, I have everything near me that I need. And it wasn't until I was halfway through touching up the edges of the first tile that it dawned on me, I did not tape the backs of these tiles. So I'm gonna have to be careful-ish when I'm doing it. I don't want to get it like really super sloppy underneath. It's not gonna matter too much since it's gonna have cork covering it afterwards. I just don't want to end up with any blobs under it, because then it won't let the cork lay flat on there. And I just always try to keep them clean anyway, so yeah, we'll see. Okay, so let's get these. I forgot to shake these up. All right, we'll get the colors down. I'm gonna go in the X pattern that I've been doing. I probably shouldn't have put that much gold down, but I did, so you know, it will be all right. This one may just be very gold is all. Okay, and now the pink. And now the blue. Obviously you can tell what color they are. And finally the green. I was trying not to get it too close to the edge because I'm just going to blow it off the edge anyway, but this one got really close. it must be a little off balance. So I'm going to get started. Wow, that is so pretty. And the pink and the blue have intermixed to make some purple colors in there, but you can also still see the pink and the blue and the green and the gold definitely. And there are cells popping up. It is so pretty. This is gonna be beautiful. I wish I had a black light here. I might have to find one so that by the time this dries, I can show you what it's going to look like under a black light too. The cells here, oh, they're so pretty. These cells here are pretty much gold. There's a little bit of pink in there too, but these are bigger than most any other place. But this is gorgeous. All right, I am going to touch up my edges and then I'll bring you down for a close-up. Okay. How am I gonna do this? Just like you usually do. Okay. Oh, there's like a weight there though now. Come on. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Here they are, and like I said, they are gorgeous. I tried to get them a little bit closer together so you can see how they will match up. It is gonna look so neat. All right. Yes, I could have definitely used less gold. I didn't intend on using that much, but it's still really pretty. I think it's just beautiful, beautiful. Love the cells. It is so shimmery. It's got so much shine to it and glisten. Wow. They look so beautiful. All right, I'm gonna turn the lights off and the flash on. So pretty. I love that little river of color that's going along right through the gold there. Looks so neat. Oh, these are so pretty. It's funny because with the flash on, then there's some of these cells that it's hard to see the other colors that are in them other than the gold. But they're there. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button. It helps my videos be shown to more people. And if you are not a current subscriber, I would love for you to become one of my newest subscribers. Thank you to all of you who are already subscribed to me. Thanks for all of your support. These are available for sale if you are interested. Shoot me an email at tammievaughanart@gmail.com. All right. Stick around for some dried results. I'll catch you later. Bye, and God bless. Here are the dried results. I didn't get to put it in the last video because it wasn't quite dry yet. It's really hard to see the sparkle and the shimmer in this. You can see it a little bit at least. It dried really, really nice. And I'll also show you the dried results of the coasters that I did as well. Okay, here's the coasters. I'm so happy that I did a little bit of embellishing on these. I like them a lot better than I did before. I think they're pretty. All right. I'll catch you later. Bye. God bless.